Hi, my name is Noah Smith, and I'll be talking about my profile project from from math to a one. This project was really about the student loan repayment, and in this project, the outcome would have been relational learning, which is transferred knowledge, skills, and behaviors acquired through formal and informal learning and a life experience to new situation. Um, in this project, we had to figure out what our loan was, the monthly payments, and what it would be like to repay those loans over the course of months to years, and how it will affect our lifestyle and pretty much the job we will need in order to keep up with these repayments of the loan. The this outcome or the project meet these outcome in a way of teaching us how to manage your money. Um, we had to show out a list of things in Excel of like what our expenses would be throughout the months and what our payment would be after. Uh, the knowledge that I got from this particular project was pretty much me being able to manage the money. Um, even though, actually, what I find interesting about the project was from the start was like that I did not have any student loans or and never will have any student loans because of what I received from the military. So it was interesting to kind of step into the world of someone that had student loans and what they would have to go through from the beginning balance to the interest they have gained over the years. The skills that I have obtained from this project was pretty much enhance my thinking skill, um, my budgeting skills, and for behaviors it pretty much just opened my eyes of why I do not want student loans and also why other students may feel like they need student loans to succeed. Um, but yes, that was pretty much it.